Do you think my hair looks good? So guys, I got a new hairstyle. How do you think it looks? I mean, I like it a lot actually. I like it a lot actually. Yeah. So I just wanted to do this vlog just to show you guys my new hairstyle. I like it a lot. My dad helped me get the sponge and everything, helped my hair get all curly and everything. And I really like it. I like how it turned out and everything. I was born naturally to have naturally straight hair, bro. Nah, now I got curly hair, bro. This feel I wish you guys could see this in real life. This looks super good. Also, I'm wearing my necklace, my necklace I got on my birthday. I haven't worn this in a while because I'm playing basketball. So you can't have jewelry on while playing basketball. It'll mess you up. So yeah, just came on by just to show you guys my new hairstyle, how it looks, how cool it is. I mean, this hairstyle makes me feel so good. I got my haircut yesterday. I wish I could have vlogged, but I'm not used to doing that type of stuff yet. So, but yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about my hairstyle, how it looks, and also put a like on the video if you just like my hairstyle, because I mean it turned out very good, guys. You guys should just hit the like button. Let's try to hit 10 likes. Also, if you could just subscribe. I'm almost at 500 subscribers and 1,000 views, guys. I'm at 950 views right now. 50 views away, guys. Let's go. 1,000 views. Here we come. Okay, guys, this is Jordan Expert Win signing off. Goodbye.